Thank you, Natalie. Um, Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Andro. I'm the founder and CEO of the Wildlife Forensic Academy. The past 10 years, I was program director at Netherlands Forensic Institute, one of the world leading forensic laboratories. Based on some experience I had in Africa, I started the concept and idea of the Wildlife Forensic Academy. I do that, of course, not alone. I do that with my business partner, Greg Simpson. I'm just a guy from Europe, and Greg is an African. He is chair of the Southern African Wildlife Association Wildlife Group, and Greg is supporting me. Wonderful. He's now working in South Africa with constructors to establish the academy. I'm very proud and grateful for the cooperation with the Stanford University. We have signed an MOU, and based on this MOU, I'm here to present a lecture of what we have to offer to you. And my lecture is about a little bit of storytelling, how the academy was founded, how we go along, what plans do we have, and of course an invitation for you students to come to South Africa for a lifetime experience, not only in forensics, not only in wildlife, but the whole experience. You take it with you. Um, well, I look forward to meet you in South Africa, and we will start the presentation now. Thank you.